Hello, hello, hello. I am back. I know I was gone. I was gone for a minute there, like 6 months, 5 months, something like that. Yeah, I've been gone, but I apologize. I am back and I'm ready to go. So if you don't know already, my name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. If you haven't subscribed, we need you to subscribe because the videos I'm about to be posting, I'm telling you, we're gonna start from the very beginning. So if you're excited, if you want to know where this channel is going, where my videos are gonna be going, stay tuned. It's been a while. I know. I ain't got no excuse to tell y'all. I ain't got no excuse to tell y'all why I haven't been on. So where have I been? Like, let's start off with that. My hair, after I bleached it pink, that was a tragedy for my locks. Like, that was a pure, I'm gonna just write it here. Pure tragedy. Tragic. Like, it was so bad. Like, that was my first mistake. I should not have bleached my hair the second time. Although it was a year, my locks were too thin and they could not handle it. And it was over processed. So yeah, that's why a lot of my locks, like I want to say like 5 to 8 of my locks popped and like broke off. And it just, the texture of my locks, they felt so brittle. Like, no, I could not do it. One thing about me is that I like healthy hair. Once my hair is not healthy, I gotta cut it off. Like, there's no ifs, ands, buts about it. That's just how I am. I've shaved my head 3 times already in my lifetime. And it's nothing for me to be like, well, you know what, damn. Oh, well, let's just cut my hair, you know? But I do miss my locks so much. And I ended up combing my locks out. And I'm gonna be adding all these pictures because I ended up combing my locks out. I cut off majority of the bleach. And like, it was sad. It was sad for my locks to go. But at the same time, it needed to go because it wasn't looking good. It wasn't healthy. It was just not cute. So yeah, the reason why I cut my hair was that I said, you know what, I'm going to grow my hair back and I'm going to learn from my mistakes. And with that, I can help people out there like you on the mistakes that I made and the mistakes that you don't have to make. So after I cut my hair off, I had some faux locks in my hair for about 3 months. After that, I don't know, I was just like itching for my locks again. Like, oh, I want my locks. So I restarted my locks. November 27th. That is my lock start date. I love when you start your new locks and your hair starts changing, it starts budding. You know, it starts like the texture starts changing. I love it. So this time around, my locks are thicker than when I first started. So I started with, I believe, 121 locks back in 2020. And for 2022, I am starting with like 60 something, maybe 70 locks. I don't know. I didn't count. I'll make a video on my lock count when that time comes. I've learned so much and I've done so much research from the point I did cut my locks off. And I've learned a couple of things also that I was doing that I shouldn't be doing with my locks and where I want to see my locks in the future. You guys will be in every moment part of my journey. I am going to be starting from square one. So it hasn't even been a month yet since I had my locks. So definitely stay tuned. So I'm definitely happy that I'm back here on YouTube. I've really missed you guys. Like, I really did. Like, I truly missed y'all and I'm ready to get back. Like, I miss being on the camera. I miss like entertaining y'all, showing y'all what I've been up to. So I'm going to hold myself accountable. I know I've been telling y'all for like a year now, I've been holding myself accountable. but I'm gonna hold myself accountable. Just definitely stay tuned for the next video so you can see my retwist and how fresh and so clean it's gonna be looking, you feel me? But anyways, I just want to say thank you to the new subscribers that have been subscribing all these months that I haven't even been posting anything. I see y'all real ones, and my subscribers that's been sitting here with me from the very beginning. I appreciate all of y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.